The Deploy Trauma Kit is a fast access trauma kit designed specifically for treating massive bleeding. One hand, one action to access life-saving equipment. Here's how to fit it to the DMM Kinisi harness. On the back of the Deploy Trauma Kit, it has a MOLLE or PALS webbing attachment system. Traditionally, MOLLE webbing will look something like this. Horizontal strips of 25mm or inch webbing with a 25mm or inch gap, and this webbing can be repeated any number of times. This could be on a rucksack, a hydration pack, or a plate carrier. This is the same as on the back of the Deploy pouch, but with vertical weaving straps as well. Take the Deploy pouch and place it where you want it to sit on the object. Flip up the pouch so you can see the weaving straps, and you're going to pass them underneath the first run of webbing on the mounting object. You're going to take these same straps and pass them through the Deploy pouch. Pull them both tight. You're then going to take these weaving straps and pass them through the next run of webbing on your mounting object, and then you're going to do the same and pass them back through the Deploy pouch. Then when you've gotten to that point, you'll have these two rigid ends. What you're going to do is find the pockets in the orange material and place them inside of it. This creates a modular but semi-permanent attachment point to an object. We're going to do the same with our climbing kit. On the back of the DMM Kinisi harness, we're going to look for the horizontal webbing and do essentially the same. Take your Deploy Trauma Kit pouch, flip it up so that you've got the two pieces of weaving webbing. The horizontal webbing we have here to use is over here and over here. What we're going to do is pass this webbing down through that upper slot and down through that upper slot, and we can clearly see that that's wider than the mounting point on that webbing. It's also taller than the traditional 25mm webbing which we have to use. We're still going to use it. We're going to take these rigid tabs and we're going to pass them through this last run of webbing on the Deploy pouch, like so, and do exactly the same on the opposite side. Pull them tight, and we're going to take these rigid tabs and we're going to put them back inside of their designated pockets on the Deploy pouch. It will look something like this on the back of the DMM Kinisi harness. You now have one-hand access to a trauma kit.